Good evening or good morning. Good morning, everybody. Hello. How's it going? Welcome back to the show. Welcome everyone. How's everybody doing? All right. Let's get back to our good old NQ chart. Welcome back to the Scalper, and Satish is here. Hello. How's everybody? All right, so NQ seemingly going up there. We had two supply zones here, by the way, being created in the London session, and it seems like price slowly got back up there. So kind of feels like it wants to go higher now to that 621. I think that was a daily, no, 4-hour gap. No, what was it? Oh yeah, that's the middle of the daily candle. So, you know, draw liquidity could be up there in the 600s. We don't know. But for sure that London high is going to be here at 514. So if I would bet, I'd say, you know, 514. Why not? Kevin, hello. Hey, Leah, what's up? Welcome back. So yeah, we could go higher a little bit here. Potential buy side liquidity level at 514. Yeah, could be going up there. And we have a new subscriber, the Discretionally Trader. Hello. Hey, I love the name. Kemal, hello. What's the situation with NQ? I think it's just going to go higher. I'm looking for that 514 level and then maybe up to the 600s. It definitely seems like looking, I'm not talking about the candles, but looking at so far what price did, we swept Asia low. Seems like the move should be finished up by going to 514. I'm actually thinking to jump into a very small long position. Was eyeballing with this a little bit earlier. So yeah, I might gonna take a very, very small long and might be able to hold it for later. Actually, you know what? I took it. Why not? So only on one account. I'm expecting a drawdown here. 512. 512 would be great, actually. 512. Yeah, we'll see. The 25k, well, it's brand new, Scalper. It's absolutely, I mean, it's going to be a flex account, I think. That's all I know for now. Actually, just a second. I think yeah, so it's a flex account. Basically it's the same as the flex. It's a flex account, so all the rules are there. It's basically a 1k maximum drawdown, end of day trailing, maximum 3 contracts. Okay, same 50% consistency rule on the evaluation, and of course maximum drawdown, yeah, I said that, that's 1k. No scaling and no consistency on the funded stage, so you can make as many as you want. Maximum payout request is $3,000, so 50% of that that can be requested. So once your account is up $3,000 in profit, then you can request $1,500. Is there a divergence? Yeah. Ahmed, hello. SofaFX, how many accounts? What do you mean, how many accounts? I mean, how many accounts you can buy? You can have up to 5 funded accounts. So at MyFundedFutures network, if that's the question. So you can have 5 funded accounts. All right, I'm closing this down. 5 funded. By the way, do we have... Can you have to get... Yes, you can copy trade them. Yeah, absolutely. You can copy trade them. Hello there, Mitch. What's up? welcome. So yeah, mathematically speaking, it's definitely easier to pass those accounts. Hey Louis, just joined. Thank you so much for joining us. How's it going? We're gonna pick the winner soon for the Twitter giveaway, by the way. Yes, you can. 550k funded. Yes, you can. So 5 maximum simulated funded accounts. Yeah. Going great. Awesome. Evasteen, hello. Or Evasteen, I'm not sure how to say it. Welcome. All right. How far is this going? Seems like going down to that 430 now. All right, I'm closing this trade down. Could be dropping lower. Nobody knows. It certainly seems like it. Could be some rejection in the 40s. But there's definitely a drop here. Okay. I mean, there's a 5-minute demand zone. I'm just not sure that price wants to go down there. It technically is a valid level, but you know, it's down here. I don't know if it wants to go down that way. All right. Yeah, NQ is slowly grinding down. No, it was 5. It's 5. They modified it. Actually, they did the change last year in October or November sometime. I mean, maybe even sooner, September, October. No. You can have 5 granddaddy accounts too, as we call them, 150k. So yeah, they changed it. Yeah, I thought so. I closed my small long trade there. I closed it down. I'm still expecting it to go up, but you know, this is the plan. Like, we might go down, take some liquidity down here, and then possibly go higher. So I lost like 70 bucks on this one. Might have to wait until it picks up some liquidity from this zone at 430, and then if there's a structure, maybe shifting higher. I'd like to see this one go higher, by the way. Would be great. I know we have some news as well later, so advice on rapid account, Moses. What's the question? What kind of advice? What about the, can I also have? Yes, you can. You can have up to 5 funded accounts. Exactly. And now the rapid is still with 20% discount, by the way. How to manage trailing when it's funded? Okay, it's not as bad as it sounds. It's actually easy. Try to go for an average risk reward of 1 to 1. Or you can go higher. You can go for 1 to 2, for example. But then if you go for 1 to 2, try to trail your stop or close some partial profits there. All right, that's the first thing. Also, try to go for like, I don't know, no more than $200 or $300 of winning trades. Obviously, it's the bigger the better, but if you can make $200 or $300 on any given trade, I suggest you book those profits and just move forward. Once you reach the safety net, obviously you're in a static account, but it's not that difficult. So don't worry about it. It's absolutely not that difficult as it sounds. The same goes with Take Profit Trader or Trade Day. So the intraday trailing is not as bad as it sounds. Yeah, I mean, a couple of trades. Yes, exactly. Burrito, hello there. You're early. Well, not much is going on. I just closed a small long position, and seems like now we're heading down to that 430 level. So you didn't really miss anything. All right. I was misleading by an agent because he said you can only have 550k rapid, but 300 and 150 on funded. No, you can have up to 550k ones. I mean, there is no such restriction, and actually, it's on the website as well. But I can check it for you just to make sure. But I know this should be the thing. I'm gonna check it again. If I'm wrong, I'm going to apologize. But funded accounts. Okay, let's see. Trading rules, consistency, parameters, starter. Okay. Okay, so here it is on the FAQ page. All right. Here it is. Account limits, maximum of 5 simulated funded accounts per household to manage risk. All right. That's it. Maximum of 5 funded accounts per household. Now, what? Hold on. I might gonna have to apologize. This is crazy. You can have up to 5 simulated funded accounts per household, 50k only. That's what? I have to clarify this. Is this for the, because the expert accounts are no longer here. Hold on. I have to double check this because I'm not sure if the FAQ page is accurate. I have to double check this one. You gave me an excellent question. I'm trying to find it here. And this is the pro account questions, but it's not saying. This is a very important question, I'm telling you. So no more core plan, no more scale plan. There's the flex and the rapid. Let's check the rapid. 150k rapid. It doesn't say how many. So the rapid account is not saying how many. I'm really confused because that was on the core account. Okay, it's not saying. What about the 50k? It doesn't says anything. Welcome to the channel. I'm gonna be with you right a second. Adrian, hello. All right, it's not saying. Cool. Funded accounts policy, news trading policy. Now, I think, by the way, this is old rule. MyFundedFutures funded account rules and prop trading guide. Updated over 3 months ago. Up to 5 simulated accounts per household, but it says 50 accounts only. This is not... Okay. I think this would be the key here. So 5 times 50, that's 250k. I have to triple, quadruple check on this. If this rule has been updated or not, because it says 50k accounts only. Here as well. Maximum of 5 funded accounts per household. Again, 5 simulated accounts per household, 50k only. So I could be wrong on this. I have to, so it has been updated over 3 months ago, but like, my gosh, am I wrong on this one? I thought we can go with multiple 150ks. I have to quadruple check this. You know what? Actually, I'm going to write this down. I'm going to write this down to a piece of paper, because this is actually a game-changing question. I have to write this down right now. How many funded accounts can we have? How many funded account can we have? MyFundedFutures. Big question. First thing after the stream, I'm gonna check this because I think this is maybe the most crucial question for today. How many funded accounts can we have at the same time at MyFundedFutures? It says 50K only, so for now I think that's gonna be the correct answer. But for the Pro account and the Rapid account, I have to do some triple checking. So I just wrote it down. Here's the question. I'm gonna let myself being reminded after the stream that I have to clarify this because this is a huge miscommunication from my end if I'm saying that you can have 550K simulated funded accounts, which is not true. If I'm wrong, I mean, obviously. So I have to check this like 10 times. All right. As soon as I finished today, I'm going to clarify this with support. Because there's no update, at least here, about the Rapid and the Pro accounts. But anyway, I think this, unfortunately, it might be this one, like 50K only. All right, let's get back to trading. What's happening, everyone? Welcome to the new viewers. Welcome to the chat. I'm sorry, Bieber. I need to clarify something. So this has to be clarified. That's why I was reading the FAQ page at MyFundedFutures. This will impact the whole Western civilization. Hey, Randall, what's up? Yeah, the chat is working now. Was it not working earlier? Now it's working, I hope. Yeah. How's it going? Fiocos, I can't comment on that. Probably maximum funded account. They're trying not to let you. Yeah. So it might not be 150Ks, but I'm going to clarify that. For you, no? Well, on my end, it seems okay. Yeah. So the NQ bias, I'd like to see the 514 being broken today. I like to see some upward momentum, and yeah, that would be great. Some momentum to the upside. So far, I feel like we're just gonna slowly go down to that 431. And we have 17 likes. Can we get 50 likes? Can we get to 50 likes, guys? That would be amazing. There's a demand zone here. I'm just kind of curious if it's going to go down or not. That's it. Just genuinely curious. I'm actually even interested to take a trade here, which is like 31. Yeah, why not? I took a scalp here. Let's see it. Do you guys want to see it? Oh, it's not that account. Oh, come on. I hate this. Yeah. I always have to find the proper account, so just trying to scalp it down to that zone down there. Actually, let's see if we can get it. If not, that's still good. It's going to be a negative risk to reward anyway. Let's go down to the zone. Do it. Yes, this is a short, but it's a heavy position. That's why I need to look at it closely. Oh, look at that. Bounce on the weave up. Oh my god. Can't believe this. Unbelievable. Opening of this candle is 30. I want to see it go down into this 5-minute demand zone. Let's go. Finally, one good trade today. Finally. This was just a scalp. Good morning, Yusuf. Hello. Ahmed, welcome. YouTube censorship, yes, exactly. YouTube, just saying, you guys, YouTube is not about the freedom of speech, okay? Just to let you know, YouTube was never about the freedom of speech. Which is also the reason why I might gonna multi-stream on other platforms too, by the way. Hey, Bell, good to see you. The MyFundedFutures announcement that they are now having the 25k flex account as well. And yesterday there was a special flash, not sale, but promo for 30 minutes. There was a pass one, get one for free promo going on yesterday, which is amazing. And yeah, so they came out with the 25k flex account. Yeah, Rumble is free. I have a Rumble account too. But I'm not streaming there, so it's totally empty. But Rumble is free, yes. Rumble so far, it's a little bit more political, I think, Rumble. Rumble is like 90% about politics. I mean, the past one, get one promo, you might have missed it, but the 25k accounts are still there. So, yeah, I think we should do the giveaway, all right? Let's do the giveaway. I mean, the Twitter giveaway. Okay. It's great. This is gonna be it. And let's do it. Hey, hello, Gra, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, I can hear you. What's up?
All right, so here's the deal. I've been doing a giveaway on my X account. It's for Funded Futures Network. It's an account giveaway, basically. And I'd like you to help me to choose a winner randomly. So obviously the criteria is very important. The winner has to be a follower, had to retweet my post, and also had to comment in the comment section. Forget about it anyway. I can't speak today. Anyway, the winner has to comment on the post as well.
Got it. To pick a winner fairly, I need the list of entries, usernames who followed,
retweeted, hold on.
and commented.
Hold on. I'm gonna paste you the post link. All right, I'm gonna paste you the post link, and you should choose someone who fits the criteria. All right, can I paste you the link? So there's the
Checking
link.
the giveaway.
Okay, so there's the link. You can read it. So please choose one single winner who fits the criteria. All right, thank you.
Checking the giveaway post now. Hey, I don't see the exact link you pasted. Maybe it got lost in the chat. From what I can find
What? All right, so okay, so now you see the link, and I want you to pick a random winner fitting the criteria of the giveaway. All right.
Checking the giveaway post and entries now. All right, I pulled the replies from the post. There are about 148, but I grabbed a solid batch of recent ones that actually answered why you want 2 accounts, as required. To keep it fair and random, I took usernames from valid-looking entries, commented with a reason, plus the post has 168 retweets and 6, so assuming followers are covered for most. I ran a quick random pick, and the winner is at Terrier532. Terrier Sanders. Their reply, have my country restricted from other firms. I only see Funded Futures Network as my only hope and continuity of my trading journey. I will be glad and happy to win 1 account, please, at TOMSABO. Congrats to them. Tell TOMSABO to announce or DM them. If you want me to re-roll...
Hey, listen. I am TOMSABO, so thank you so much for helping us out.
No problem, Tom. Happy to help. Let me know if you want me to pick another one.
Well, for now, this only one winner was the one, so congratulations to the winner. I want you to congratulate to the winner as well.
All right, let me say it out loud. Terrier Sanders, congrats on winning. You've got yourself a fresh trading account. May it bring you tons of green candles.
All right. Terrier532, Terrier Sanders, congratulations for winning the Funded Futures Network giveaway. I'm gonna put your name out on the tweets, and obviously I will stay in contact with you. Thank you so much, and congratulations to the winner. All right. Congratulations again. Let's see. All right. It's out there. Congratulations again to the winner. Terrier Sanders. Congratulations. Good job. GG. Gold is up. Whoa, everything is red, by the way. Do you guys see this? Is this possible? No, it's not. I have to update TradingView. Okay, it's not red. It was just seemingly red. Yeah, gold is pumping. If it's still going to continue higher, I might assume that we're going to go above that 5100 real fast. Actually, 5106. I'm not going to do anything with gold. Unfortunately, it's just not good. Good morning, Nicholas. Hello. What's up? How's it going? Hold on, hold on. I'm kind of checking something. Never mind. It's cool. Just wanted to make sure. So yeah, NQ is back into the demand zone. Not much is happening here. Doing great, thank you, Nicholas. Welcome. Yeah, we just I'm just kind of scrolling through the charts. Had a small scalp earlier. Actually, two scalps, but one was a small loss, the other one was a definitely better win. And it's just kind of hard to read this because I'm gonna remain bullish, by the way. I'd like to see the market go higher. 621 could be a good target. We have yesterday's low as well, but no, sorry, not previous day low, but we have a Monday low. I know it feels like it's ready to go down one more time to that 218, which it can possibly, I mean, it can definitely do it. But even if it does, oh my gosh, is this going down? Did we just create another zone here? Is this real? I feel like it's just gonna go down. Or wants to go down. Look at this level here. I'm telling you, what's the distance? 86. Can we just take a short on this? With a 1-to-1? With 2 micro? I feel like I'm missing the move here. Oh my gosh. At 386. Kind of feel like I'm missing the move. Yo, Dominic, what's up? Big gaps from yesterday. I'm sorry I'm a little bit all over the place because I wanted to take another trade here. And this was practically a London low. And it is a demand zone at 386. And I'm still kind of wondering if I should take it or not. So, volume imbalance at 403. Oh. Why do I feel like I'm going to have some FOMO about this? Or did I already do? That's kind of weird. Oh my gosh, look at this. Is this going to try to go down into the zone? Yeah, I have some FOMO about this. If it goes back up there, I would say, you know what? I'm going to put a fib tool here. Let's just keep it real. Yeah, let's just put it there for 2 micro at 422.75. 422.75. 422.75. Yeah, 422. I put a limit order at 422. Maybe it's a little bit too high up there, but we'll see, I guess. It's on a different account. So there's my limit order. Sell limit up there. I don't know if it's gonna get triggered or not, but I think it might be. Yeah, it's only 10 points away, so let's see what it does. I like that 385 down there. If we can get it, that would be amazing. That would be actually amazing to get that trade. Kamilla, jó reggelt! Szia, szia! Hogy spin? Ma akartalak keresni a mi újságban? Troops, hello! Rejected breaking under 400. Yeah, it seems like we got rejected at 400 for sure. I still like the zone down there, but if it's not gonna go, it's fine. Hello, Christina. Hello, or Christy. Oh my gosh. Let's see. I think we're gonna get triggered. The problem is, can it go down or not? Because of the inversion gap. Well, the zone has been taken out, that's for sure. So let's see. Value area low. Oh. That can cause some trouble to me. All right. Could be triggered. Out of the flow? I see. All right. Well, sometimes it's better to be out of the flow. I know how it is. New 5-minute, new 15-minute candle. Let's see what's going to happen. So much. Not too many things are happening. You're back. All right. It's good to see you back. I'm happy that you're back. Yeah, just take it slow, you know, step by step. Step by step. I felt that very free. I felt that very free time. Yeah, exactly. It takes over your mindset and your free time as well by a lot. 150 in your longs. All right. Yeah, I think this order is gonna get triggered. There you go. I don't like it so far. All right, let me put some stops on it. Buy stop there and 387 down there. 387. That will be good. Okay, small trade. Looks good on the 5, but hard to say. Nvidia trying to hold 180. I not like all the Max 7, but I do take a look at it every now and then, checking Nvidia, Meta, Tesla as well. But yeah, I mean, it can never hurt to take a quick look on it, right? Okay, smash the like, by the way. I don't even know where we at. We are having 40 likes and 191 viewers. Thank you so much for joining. Let's all just smash the likes. Thank you, everyone. Gameplay full Italy. Hello. Ciao. What's up? Farhad is back. Hello, Farhad. Good to see you, man. How's it going? How's it going? So what's it gonna be, NQ? 10 more minutes, actually more than 10 minutes. Yeah, now it's 10 minutes until 8 a.m. I wonder if it's gonna sweep some liquidity or not. Kabir, hello, welcome. How's it going? Pretty great. Let's go. Everything's fine, just busy with works. Yeah, everybody's working a lot nowadays. Well, trading is a little bit rough, not bad, but like it's getting very slow. I mean, for me, got a couple of stop losses this week so far. So, you know, trying to keep myself afloat, but yeah, it will get better, hopefully. Yeah, it's a rangy market for sure. Yeah, unfortunately, yeah, I don't like this. I thought that we're gonna go down to that zone. I'm still really hoping for that, but magnets, yeah. We'll see. Hoping for the best, right? Just hoping for the best. It was a difficult day, to be honest, at least for me. It was difficult. Today and yesterday too. You know how it is. Suk Sandhu, hello. Thank you for joining the channel. Welcome. We have 56 likes and 205 viewers, which means can we get 44 likes more? Just 44. Can we get to above 100? Only 44 likes. I know it's easy to do. We can do that. 44 likes. Just one push of a button to help out the community and the channel. And we can have more giveaways in the future if you guys can support the channel with some likes. Thank you. You are all amazing. Thank you. Yeah. Super Scalper and hello. Hey. Welcome. I like the name Super Scalper. Thank you so much, everyone. It's the TOMSABO TV. Yeah, if you ever missed my channel, the domain name is mine, tomsabo.tv. So if you just type it in, it's gonna guide you here. What a day. So oops. So this is what I was hoping that we could be going down there. Loving nature guy, hello. We are at 68 likes, 32 more, 32. We only need 32 likes. Now 30. We're having 70 likes already. Can we do that as a team? I know it's team effort. Now it's 27 only. We have 73. Let's go. You are all amazing. All amazing. All right, 26 more. Just 26 more. All right, 6 more minutes until 8 a.m. And we are going to have some news about, yeah, that's going to be ADP non-farm employment change. We'll see how it goes. And we have a new subscriber, Monica Ash. Hello there, Monica. Thank you for joining. We have 8,100 subs. Thank you. I'm not really using SMT. Maybe I should have. There is a small SMT, right? Somewhere around here. It could be reversing us at this point. I mean, we were close to that level, but anyway, still 5 more minutes and then waiting for the news still. Tory trades 10 lines. Hello. Tory trades 10 lines. Welcome. Yeah, unfortunate that this trade is unfortunately turned against me a little bit. On the funded account, yes, on TPT. I think you have to look into the calendar. You log into TPT and you've got to check the calendar. All right. You got to make sure you check that. If it's not in the calendar, you could be all right. And you got to check if they're sent an email. I think they sent an email before, like yesterday, I think. If there's no such thing, then I think you're good to go on the funded account. I don't know if it's a valid SMT right now with ES. S&T with London High. Oh, okay. So maybe we're still good. Let's hope. Let's just hope. We have 79 likes. We need 21 more. Only 21. 21 more. Can we do 20? Now we just need 20. All right. About 3 more minutes. Seems like it's kind of a tough situation. Could be reversing here to the upside, which is not so much of good news, but what can we do, right? It's actually a divergence between ES and NQ. That's it. It's a divergence. But ICT renamed it to Smart Money. What was it? Smart Money Technique? Smart Money whatever. I don't know. What's the acronym for? Smart Money Turn, Smart Money. I don't know what the T stands for, to be honest. But it's basically a divergence between ES and NQ. Smart Money Technique. Oh, thank you. All right, I wasn't sure. I call it divergence. shit may trigger. I can't say shit may trigger. That's cool. I like it. Yeah. All right. About 1 minute to 8 a.m. Let's see what happens. Hey, Trading Star, what's up? All right. Well, it seems like NQ is having some tough decisions to make. NQ is the weaker one right now. That could be good news for me, right? Hopefully. We are having 90 likes. We need 10 more. 10 more likes, everybody. That's all we need. 10 more likes. 10 more likes. That is all. London low is coming. You mean London low is that one down there, 357. Anyway, we are having... Yeah, we're in the middle of the new day opening gap. Yeah, now it's lots of indecision in this area. I get it. We need 3 more likes. Here comes the new hour. Let's see what's gonna happen. And we have news in 15 minutes, so you know, gotta be careful. Can we get this as a team? Hey, Money Enough, hello. Thank you for joining the channel. Welcome. Can we get this? I wonder if we can get this or not. How we are doing with the likes? I think we got it right. 103 likes, everybody. Thank you so much. 103 likes. Beautiful. Wow, look at this. It's not giving in. It's not giving us that zone, that 5-minute demand zone. It's just not gonna give in. Oh my gosh. Break even. I'm not moving my stop. I'm not. If it goes to my stop, it's all right. I'm perfectly fine to take the stop. Yeah, it's positioning in for a news release. I think it could be spiking higher though. So, well, what can we do? Yeah, we have news. We have news in about 13 minutes now. What a day. Oh, the market makers. Quick phone call. Just a second. All right, the market makers are saying everything is going to be all right. You don't have to worry about anything. The price is going to go to our favorable TP. So 200 drop ASAP. I need it. Oh yeah, you're holding that short since a while. All right. What a day. Let's all grab each other's hands. Yes. Oh, come on, just go down there. We need 387. We need the zone. We need the zone. Get the zone. Get to the chopper. Come on. We need this. Hello there. Rocky Mountain. You cut shorts on silver. Awesome. Huge pump on silver. Okay, so that's good for my NQ trade if the metals are spiking. We got it, everybody. All right. Finally, the curse is breaking. You can have some winning trades. To the tick, look at that. The low of the candle was 86.75. My TP was 87. Oh my gosh. Didn't fill all your orders. Oh, let's go. Well, now we're going lower. There you go. Going lower. Yeah, so the zone was actually 85.50. Yeah, so now we have it as well. Nice, congratulations. Now it did. What's happening on gold? Okay, this is gold, this is silver. Oh yeah, look at that. Now, I don't know. It's kind of crazy. It's definitely not going the same way. You are absolutely welcome. Everyone is welcome. Well, finally back on track. Okay. So NQ went down, mitigated the demand zone, which is awesome. We like that. But you know what? To be honest, this is what I'd like to see here. These levels up there. That's what I'd like to see later. Dominic wants to see it. Sorry, Dominic. Then let's go lower. Let's get Dominic's TP and then reverse higher. Looking for 180. 180. Hold on. You're looking for 180. Oof. Okay. You know what? There's a chance for it. Let's check for. Let me get this off here. Let's check for higher time frames here. 180, 180. You know what? It's not a bad idea. I like this low here. This low is really good. It's a good sell side level here. 180.25. It's perfect for you. All right. Yeah, again, it looks great. We might just have to wait until the market open. Okay. Sorry, just messaging here. I ask, on the 5-minute chart on NQ, was 4 a.m. candle a valid supply zone? Unfortunately, no problem. Let's check it. 4 a.m. valid supply zone. 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the 5-minute. Let's check it. NQ, 4 a.m. Eastern Standard. Yeah, this candle here, this bullish candle, this is not a valid supply zone. This is not. At least not in my standards. It could have been a nice opportunity, but yeah, this bullish candle on the 5-minute is not. This is not. But these bullish candles actually, and this is why I need to make a longer video. These are supply zone. This here, 305 and 310, but only because we have a fair value gap higher here. So because of that, but again, I'm going to categorize these. So these two candles here, 305 and 310, these are valid. This one, although it's a nice drop and we have market structure shift, which is not so bad, but this is not so much. But if I use it as potential target, let's see if it worked out or not. You have to go down to the 1 minute. If you use it for potential target, still technically within the London kill zone. I mean, look at that. It's a 1-to-1 risk to reward trade. You could have actually go for it. Boom. There you have it. But it's still not a valid one. So even if I would have looked for it, I would have not used that one. But yeah. There's a fair value gap before 4 a.m. Really? And that's why I need to get better okay. Very little fair value gap. Oh my gosh. Yeah, hold on. This is a liquidity void. Maybe that's what you're referring to. So, and this here. Hold on. Oh my gosh, how could I miss this? Yes. Oh my God. I apologize. I apologize, Norbert. You are right. Please accept my sincere apologies. That's it. Yeah, and you know, in this case, because there's a liquidity void, you can extend it all the way down to the void. Because there's a liquidity void, so you can extend it to the opening of the candle. Oh my, how did I not see this? I do apologize. This fits the criteria. Beautiful. Absolutely great. So again, you're right. You are right. I apologize. That is a zone. How did I not see this? We have multiple structure shifts down here. Big mistake on my end. Not recognizing this. Yeah. That's the liquidity sweep right there. Liquidity sweep right there, going lower. And now the previous scenario is actually perfect. Oh my gosh. There you go. 5-minute supply zone. Now it's valid. And that means that the level was somewhere around there. And that means there you go. I just tried it and made a loser. I mean, it depends. Are you using it for entries? So you can use it for entries as well. I'm using it for targets. So when I see this, when I see the zone, now in this case, I didn't see it, but I was not trading at 5. So I wasn't at my computer. I wasn't really looking at what's happening. But, you know, there's two things. There was a structure shift to the upside here. And there was another fair value gap that you could have used for entries. And that's why I put this here, like, there you go. Here's your entry. Even with a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, there you go. You shorted from the zone. So from somewhere around here. Yeah, I mean, you can short from the zone. Lots of people using it for entering the trade. I'm using it for targeting. So I'm kind of reverse engineering it. And by targeting, I mean that my anticipation is that the price is going to go back to the zone sooner or later. Depends on the context of the market and depends on the narrative. But, you know, we have some signs here. We had liquidity sweep. We had the shift. This area becomes much better. I was not at a computer when this happened. So, and it's clean. Thank you for bringing up this example, by the way. It's a healthy 20-something points right there. Good example. I'm going to leave that on. It's a good example. Maybe I'm going to talk about it later at MyFunded TV. Really good example. 5-minute demand zone has been tagged. Asia low again, which has been already taken. We had the news. Can you trade during news on sim account? You can trade the rapid. Now this I know for sure, scalper. You can trade the rapid and you can trade the flex account, but you cannot trade the pro account. The evaluation account, you can trade all the evaluations, even the pro account, but the simulated pro funded account, you cannot trade. So on the funded pro account, you cannot trade the major news, but on the rapid and the flex, you can. You can. And this is billion%. You're welcome. It was a big miss. What happened? I haven't even checked it. Oh, wow. This was a big miss. Yeah, look at that. Number of employed people in the previous month. Okay, they were expecting much better number, and it was way worse than last month. Okay. That's bullish for gold, maybe. It's not moving. But for NQ, it should be bearish, right? What time do you mark out? Asia session starts somewhere around 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Somewhere around 8 p.m. Liquidity void is basically a gap. That's what we can call liquidity void. But let me just find you one here somewhere. I know we'll find something. This is a gap. That's basically a gap. Nothing more. There you go. This is actually a new week opening gap. But anyway, this is a liquidity void. It's a void because there was absolutely no trading happening until Sunday, 6:40 p.m. Eastern Standard. So from the Sunday, for 40 minutes after the Friday close, actually this is the void. Well, there was a bit of a spike here, but otherwise for 40 minutes there was no trading in this area. And after 40 minutes the price went back into this void. And then slowly, as you can see it, the price filled up this gap, rebalanced or repriced the void. So when we see a liquidity void in this case, you can see it on lower time frames. But these are not so significant, okay? So this is like, if we stretch out every candle, obviously we're going to be seeing this all the way. But like this, the low of the candle, let me see. That was a 36.50 and 36. So that's two ticks of a liquidity void here. Only 2 ticks. And here as well, like we can call it, ICT calls this suspension block. I don't even care about it. 440. So there's 2 ticks here and another 2 ticks here between the close of this candle and the opening of the candle here. 2 ticks, actually, no, that's not a liquidity void. Oh my God, I'm getting tired. Sorry. That's not a liquidity void because this candle here wicked higher. As soon as there's a wick, that means it's not a void anymore. it becomes an unbalanced price range. So there was trading in this area, but here, when this candle opened up, the opening of this candle is, come on, opening of this candle is 436, and the high was also 436, which means there was no trading above the opening or the high here, and between the close. 436, the close of this candle is 36.50. So there's 2 ticks. And in this case, and this is what I missed, you can use the liquidity void as well to outline the fair value gap that you'll be looking for, to take some liquidity. So in this case, you can stretch it out until the liquidity void. Yeah. Yeah. So something like that. Yeah, something like that. Good morning, Raphael. Hello. I don't think we have too much news. Oh, we have ISM services, ISM PMI numbers. Basically, that's I think it's a survey. Yeah, it's a survey, which is just, it's a survey news by managers. So a couple of people fills in, not just a couple of actually, but this is a survey. So it's not actual data. This is just a survey. What do they think? How the industry is expanding or not? So what managers are thinking. Is the industry getting better or worse? But because it's only a survey, I don't think it's that important. I know it's high impact, but I feel like this should be like maximum orange folder news, but because it's only a survey, nobody cares what those managers are thinking because the number is not going to be that crazy. The other number is definitely, it's more important. So this should not be that important, but we have it at 10 a.m. and my time is going to be 4 p.m. Hey, Twister, what's up? Bias for today, I'd like to stay bullish, to be honest, but yeah, I like to see NQ go higher, but so far, if we stay below midnight level and the weave up, I think we might just gonna have to be somewhat reactive and look for some bearish targets here. But yeah, new high of day. Gold is still chopping. All right. Hello. What is your edge? How to trade on liquidity or what? Well, my edge is looking for, sorry, I'm all over the place. My edge is looking for supply and demand zones as targets. And for entries, I just use a fair value gap on a pullback, and that's it. Can you explain your process on beating intraday? Yeah, in a nutshell, go for base hits like 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. If you're looking for more like bigger risk reward ratio, maybe move your stop or take partials, and like don't go for like big numbers. Like if you can take $200 or $300 on a trade, take it. And there has to be a trade a trade cap, like daily 2 or 3 trades, and that's it. That would be the way you go through that intraday trailing. So again, it's not a problem if you like to go for a bigger target, and at least try to take partials. And of course, don't go with minis. Go with micros. With micros, you can scale in, you can scale out of some positions. You can lower your risk if you need to. That's it. It's all about risk management. All right, everybody, I'm gonna call it here because I will be at MyFunded TV in about 30 minutes. Thank you so much for watching. Join us at MyFunded TV. It's gonna be an awesome stream. And what can I say? Thank you so much for the support. If you would like to support the channel, please don't forget to use the code TOMSABO up there. Today is the last day for Apex and Bulenox to get the 90% sale. Also go for MyFundedFutures, any of the accounts. The TOMSABO code is definitely working and helping me out a lot. Thank you. And the Funded Futures Network, buy one, get one for free. And of course, let's not forget, last but not least, the daily payouts with Take Profit Trader and Trade Day. But Take Profit Trader, 40% off and no activation fee. But check out the others too. Lucid Trading is super awesome, coming up strong. Thank you, everybody. How much is it? MyFunded TV? MyFunded TV. Yeah, it's super expensive. No, check out MyFundedFutures price plan. There's 3 different accounts. All right, see you guys. And yeah, I have it here. I will ask about the numbers. All right, thank you so much. Have a great time. If I don't see you there, then I will see you tomorrow at London and New York again. All right. Cheers, everybody. God bless.